Welcome to Hobbies and Earning. Here you have seen a beautiful coin of Pakistan China 70th anniversary of a happy friendship. In this video, I can provide you each and every information regarding this new Pakistan coin. What about the face value? What about the front side? What about the back side logos? What about the diameter, weight of the coin, composition of the coin? Each and every information to my coin lovers. Kindly like and subscribe my channel to keep in touch next coming videos. Here is to be the front side of the Pakistan China friendship coin. This is in our mother language written as Islamic Jamhuriya Pakistan, means Islamic Republic of Pakistan. And here is to be the face value of the coin, 17 rupees. That is the face value. And here 2021, present year 2021, date of the issue coin is 11th June 2021. And here two spring of wheats is a crescent and moon. That is the front side of the coin. That is to be the back side of the coin. First, here you have seen a Pakistan China's 70th year of happy friendship logo. As in the corner of the video, you have seen a beautiful full flags of China and Pakistan. The China flag sevens, and here a green flag is a moon and star that represents Pakistan flags. That is the beautiful logo of Pakistan China happy friendship. And here in the round form, written 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations, written in a round form. And here in our mother language written as Pakistan or Chin, means Pakistan and China. And here to be the starting year of friendship, year 1951, and it is to be at 2021, the present year. As discussed about the diameter of the coin, the diameter of the coin is 30 mm diameter of the coin. As concerned about the weight of the coin, the mass of the coin is a 13 gram coin weight of the coin. Coin in a round shape, because the 70th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations are written in a round form. And the composition of the coin, of this beautiful coin, is a copper and nickel, 75% of copper and 25% of the nickel. And here is the detach. Here is to be lines, have you seen? So that is to be the all informations regarding this new Pakistan China happy friendship, long lasting friendship. Hope you can like this video. Kindly like and subscribe my channel to keep in touch next coming videos. Bye from Hobbies and Earning.